How to use touchscreen AC and climate control on MG MS6. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here you need to find and select the AC and climate menu. It's right here. As you can see, you've got here the information about the temperature. Let's just tap it. And here you've got a few interesting things. Here you can enable or disable the AC. You can use the auto. It lets the car automatically adjust fan speed to maintain your perfect temperature. You can turn on or off AC, so it turns the air conditioning compressor on or off. You can use the recirculation, forces the system to reuse air from inside the cabin rather than pulling in smelly exhaust fumes from outside traffic. Sometimes it's useful, especially in traffic, as you can see right here. You've got here the airflow directions. Right here you can choose the airflow directions, and we skip also those part. So here you can use the windshield defrost, the front and the rear. Here you've got also the power of the fan. You can adjust it, and you can also choose the temperature for your driver, for your passenger, or you can sync them if you would like to, just by using the sync button. And that's it. Those are main settings about the climate. You can also go to the seat, and here you can use the ventilation on or off, and you can heat your seats on 3 levels. And you can also do the same on your passenger, and you can also here heat your steering wheel. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.